If you're seeing the ERR underscore proxy underscore connection underscore failed error in Google Chrome and it says there is no internet connection, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest ways to fix it on Windows, step by step. This is usually caused by a bad proxy setting, a broken network configuration, or a temporary issue with your router or PC. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to turn off proxy settings, reset the proxy through command prompt, and refresh your connection the right way. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes and the Windows tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, we'll try the most effective fix, which is disabling proxy settings in Windows. To do that, press Windows +I on your keyboard to open Settings. Once Settings opens, go to Network and Internet. On the left side, click Proxy. This is where Windows stores proxy configuration options that can sometimes interfere with Chrome and block your internet access. Now look for the Manual Proxy Setup section and make sure proxy is turned off. If proxy is switched on, disable it immediately. In many cases, this alone fixes the error because Chrome and Windows are no longer trying to route traffic through a broken proxy server. After turning it off, close the settings window and open Chrome again to check if the problem is gone. If the error still appears, don't panic. We'll move on to the next method, which is resetting the proxy using command prompt. This is a very useful step because it clears out proxy settings that may be stuck in the system. To do this, click the Start menu, type command prompt, then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. If a user account control prompt appears, click Yes. Once command prompt opens, carefully type this command exactly as shown, net nhttp reset proxy. After typing it, press Enter. Windows will reset the Win HTTP proxy settings and remove any broken proxy configuration that might be causing Chrome to fail to connect. When the process is complete, you should see a confirmation message. After that, restart your computer to make sure the changes fully apply. Once your PC turns back on, open Google Chrome and test your connection again. If everything is working, the error should now be fixed. If you still see the message, the issue may not be the browser itself. It could be caused by a temporary network conflict between your computer, your router, or your internet service. That's why the next step is to restart both your router and your PC. Begin by turning off your computer completely, then unplug your Wi-Fi router or modem from power. Wait about 30 seconds to 1 minute so the network can fully refresh. After that, plug the router back in and wait until all the lights are stable and the internet is fully restored. Once the router is back online, turn your computer on again and reconnect to the network. Then open Chrome and see if the connection error is resolved. This simple reset often clears temporary glitches that can trigger proxy-related problems. If you want the best chance of fixing ERR underscore proxy underscore connection underscore failed quickly, follow these steps in order. Disable proxy settings first, reset the proxy from command prompt second, and restart your router and PC last. That sequence solves the problem for many Windows users because it targets the most common causes without making any complicated changes. If the video helped you, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more fast and easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.